Hi, my name is Rob. This is a Kawasaki AR80 out of my collection that I'm selling. I bought a classic car, so I need to make some room. This is a brand new unregistered Kawasaki AR80. It was given to Dave Jefferies, the TT rider, as his paddock bike. I've had it for quite a long time. It's been kept indoors all its life. The guy before me had it in his front room. It's kept in my garage with a dehumidifier. It's done 103 miles. It is absolutely as you would expect for a brand new bike. I have all the paperwork from Kawasaki, so if you did want to register it and use it, which is what it's designed for, I have all the paperwork to make it easy to register it. It starts lovely, and I've done about 3 miles on it. I've taken it up and down the road a couple of times just to give it a run out, to keep the engine nice and sweet. It starts first kick and it sounds just like you remember them, and it is absolutely 100% original and standard. You'll see all the pictures obviously. I don't know what else I can say really. It is absolutely nut and bolt perfect, kept in the dry. I'll start it up. Hopefully it sounds just like if you had one as a teenager. You remember that sound. With the standard pipe, it's really nippy as well. It goes up through the gears. I say I've only done about 3 miles on it, but you know, it needs to have a little run now and again just to keep it in good condition. Absolutely standard and original. Also check out my other items, as I'm selling a couple of ARs. Thanks for watching.